Good morning, students. Let us discuss EVS test. This test consists of two sections, section A and section B. Section A was compulsory, all questions were compulsory. Now let us discuss question number 1. First question was define waste. Now you must be knowing that waste is any unwanted, unusable, left out material and worthless, defective and discarded materials. Anything which is of no use is termed as waste. Now waste is, you can say the garbage, you can say the rubbish or the refuse. Now examples can be anything like domestic waste, e-waste, medical waste, industrial waste. So the better examples, the most common examples are municipal waste or the domestic waste like fruits and vegetable peels and other discarded materials. So since this question consists of 2 marks, so you will have to write only 3 or 4 lines, that's it, with examples, followed by define the term hazardous. Now let me tell you first what is the literal meaning of hazardous. Hazardous means something is risky, something very dangerous, something can cause threat to life, threat to animals, threat to environment. If this particular thing is not treated or not stored properly. Now hazardous waste, basically the toxic waste or the dangerous waste, they lead to a negative consequences or result when they are not treated properly. So this is the proper definition of hazardous. And hazards, this is the definition of term hazardous, and hazard are the dangerous material or the risky material. Third question was, what do you mean by waste hierarchy? Now let me again tell you the literal meaning of hierarchy. Hierarchy means it is a system or something or the organization that has many levels from lowest to the highest level in order to priority of the action to be taken. Like if we take an example of waste hierarchy, the first is reduce, reuse and recycle. The first step is to reduce waste, second is reuse waste material and then recycle the waste material. So this is the waste hierarchy or the order of priority. Fourth question was, give reason why landfills are coming up fast near the city. This is very important question. You must be knowing about the landfills. Landfills are the method to manage biodegradable waste basically, and landfills, you know, the large space, there is a large space, large open area where the dump collected from all the areas in the cities, from all different colonies, they are dumped on this open area. Now why landfills are coming? Just there are 3 reasons. First is the urbanization. Now what is urbanization? Urbanization is the increase in the proportion. Proportion means the ratio of people living in town and cities. So urbanization leads to migration. Migration means when rural people or the village people, they migrate, they shift from their village to the cities just for the sake of better living, better education and for their betterment. Now this first is the urbanization, first reason, and second reason, just because of the expansion of cities, just because of the urbanization, there is an expansion of cities. And you know that cities, large cities, they have the tendency to produce more waste, more garbage. So just because of this, huge population, lack of safe disposal methods, and large cities, they produce more waste. And the next thing is the construction activities. just because of the urbanization, there's a lot of construction of buildings and apartments and colonies. So these are the factors which are responsible for the landfills. Basically landfills are coming near to the cities just because of the urbanization, construction activities, migration, etc. So since this question consists of 2 marks, so you don't need to write this much of text matter. Just write only in 3 or 4 lines. Fifth question was, give 2 advantages of vermicompost. As you know that vermicompost is the another method for the safe disposal of biodegradable waste. So vermicompost is now 2 advantages. You know the process of making vermicompost, where the natural or artificial culture of earthworms is basically the earthworm, and now they are mixed with the soil, and they enrich the soil by adding nutrient-rich materials. 2 advantages you can write that it increases the soil fertility, and since it is a safe method to increase the fertility of soil, to increase the humus or manure to the soil, so it is eco-friendly method. That's it.